friends, welcome back to the Craft Castle. My name is Ashley, and has your husband ever put one of your not dishwasher safe stickered water bottles inside the dishwasher, ruining your sticker? Now, I'm only telling you this because I do know my husband does not watch my YouTube videos, but I made this water bottle for my son, and I made the cutest basketball themed stickers for his water bottle. My husband, bless his soul, was doing the dishes and decided to put my water bottle into the dishwasher. When it came out the dishwasher, he knew he had messed up big time because it came out looking terrible. Man, did he feel really bad. And I told him, don't worry about it, because I'm going to find a way to make dishwasher proof stickers so we no longer have accidents like this. Look at my stinking BrewMate and all these stickers that I have on my BrewMate. Would you believe me if I told you that I put my BrewMate in the dishwasher with my stickers and they still look brand new? That's because I made them dishwasher safe. Hallelujah. So my husband will never have to feel bad ruining another one of my art projects, and my cups will always look absolutely fabulous. So today I'm going to show you my 2 hacks on how to get waterproof and dishwasher safe stickers. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is go over to Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to go into New Project. So the easiest way to make a sticker is head over to my favorite website to get any type of clip art that you want, and then all you want to do is upload them into Cricut Design Space. To access your files, you would come over here to Upload, and these are the stickers that I'm going to make today. They're all kind of surfy, summer vibe-esque. I'm going to click on all the clip arts that I'm going to use and press Add to Canvas. Now the next thing you want to do is just space these out so we can see all of our clip arts that we have. And then I'm just gonna make these smaller so we can see what we're doing. Now you can create stickers one of 2 ways. The first way is that Cricut Design Space now has this button right here that says Create Sticker. If we were to click on this and we would come to Create Sticker, you would be able to create your own stickers with a click of a button if you were signed up for Cricut Access. However, you do not need Cricut Access in order to make stickers. So for today, because Cricut Access is an upgraded feature, I am not going to use this because personally to me, doing it my way, the free way, is as easy as doing it the Create Sticker way. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to select all of my stickers, just like this, every single clip art that you want to use, and I'm going to come up here into Offset. What I want to do now is click this right here where it says Weld Offsets. I don't want to weld anything. I'm going to unclick that. And now you're going to get all these lines and some are overlapping. That is okay. So this first line right here, that is going to be the white portion of your sticker. You can adjust the width of this white portion of your sticker if you wanted to by just maneuvering this little circle right here. When you have the width of your sticker that you want, what you want to do is press Apply. Now you are going to see that this one right here, this left one that says Surfs Up, we have some little holes right here and then right here. Also in this one, we want to get rid of those holes, right? So what I'm going to do is come up here, instead of it being a print then cut, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on Basic Cut. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to arrange these all to the front. So now for some of my stickers, I have these weird cutouts. I want to get rid of them. So I'm going to select this one right here that has weird cutouts. I'm going to come down here to Contour and then Hide All Contours. I'm going to click out. This right here doesn't have any weird cutouts. Neither does this, but these 3 on the bottom do. I'm going to repeat the same process I did with the top left one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is selecting all of these weird gray shadows. So Shift on my keyboard and select only your weird gray shadows. I'm going to come up here to Arrange, and I'm going to arrange them, send them to the back. And I am going to change this over from gray to white. And then what I'm going to do is come over here to Basic Cut. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go down to Print Then Cut. So you're not going to be able to see the outlines, but they are there. Now what you want to do is selecting just one sticker. So the actual printed sticker and that offset that we can no longer see anymore. So you're gonna have these two things highlighted. You are going to come down here and press flatten. We are gonna do the same thing with this sticker, selecting both pieces, press flatten, and you wanna do that for all the images that you're gonna be using for this project. Okay, and then technically what you could do is just go ahead and make this, but if you wanted to take it one step further and create those really cool easy peel stickers, what we're gonna need to do now is press Command A or select everything. We wanna come back into offset, and we're gonna create another offset. This time, this is going to be our easy peel sticker. Now you wanna make sure that this right here is unchecked. We do not wanna weld our offsets. And you are gonna see two lines. This first line right here is the outside portion of our sticker. And then we have the gap and then another line, that's gonna be the easy peel. Now I like the width of this, so all I'm gonna do is press apply. Okay, now for this one, what I want to do is just take this from a print then cut, and I'm gonna do a basic cut. And I want to arrange these to the front. Now what we want to do is make multiple copies of this. So for this outside one, I'm gonna copy and paste, and I'm gonna make 4 copies of this. So there should be 4 gray looking things right here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is come down here to my very bottom where all of my stickers are, and I'm gonna press Shift on my keyboard and click all of my sticker images, and I'm gonna arrange them to the front. Now what I want to do is only select this sticker and all its offsets. So you should have a total of 5 things highlighted, 1 sticker, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 offsets. We are gonna align this to the center, and we are gonna press attach. Doing the same thing with everything else. We are gonna select the 1 sticker and its 4 offsets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Align this to the center, and we are gonna press attach. You wanna do that for all of your stickers that you're gonna create. Now what we wanna do is resize our stickers to the size that we want. I'm gonna make each sticker about 3 inches in height. Okay, and a fun little trick in order to maximize your print then cut is I am going to insert a shape. So I'm gonna come over here to shape, and I am going to use a free shape, and it's gonna be a square. Now this right here, I want to unlock this, and I want the width to be 6.75 and the height to be 9.25. Now what I'm going to do is arrange this to the back, and I'm going to come up here to operation, and I'm going to change it from a basic cut to a guide. Now everything that fits inside of this pink box will be my print then cut. So I am just going to arrange my stickers inside my pink box. Okay, when I have all of my stickers that I'm going to be using in my rectangle, I am just going to delete this rectangle. And then what I'm going to do is select everything and press attach. Now at this point, what you want to do is save this project. And then all we need to do is press make. And for me, my auto load for print then cut is 11 by 17. So I'm going to come over here and press 8.5 by 11. And then you want to press continue. Then what you want to do is come over here and press send to printer. And I always like to use my system dialog box when I'm printing sticker papers. So then I'm just going to press print. Now, anytime you use the system dialog box, it's always going to be behind the Cricut screen. So you're going to have to find that. Then what you want to do is come down to printer options, and you want to change your media over from plain paper into glossy paper. If you're using high gloss label paper, then what you want to do is change your print quality over to high. Make sure and load your paper up into your printer and just press print. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is prep your sticker papers. So I am gonna do it 2 ways for you. I'm gonna do the laminate sheet way, but then I'm also gonna show you how to do it the holographic way. So the very first thing you want to do is take out your heat laminator, and you want to turn this on. My particular laminator is a hot and cold laminator. I'm going to turn it onto the hot. Now you could definitely do a cold laminate sheet here. However, I find that cold laminate sheets tend to get bubbly and distort your stickers. So I like to steer away from that and only do hot laminate sheets here. So while that heats up, I'm just gonna move that over to the side. And I printed my sticker paper out on the crappiest label paper ever because I just wanted to show you that even using the crappiest label paper, we're still gonna get amazing results for our waterproof stickers. So all I'm gonna do is use one of these sticker sheets, and I'm going to take my laminating pouch. Now these always come like a pouch where you have a front and a back. And actually, you don't need to use the entire pouch. What I suggest doing is taking your sheet of paper, and what we want to do is we want to cut our laminating sheet smaller than our sticker paper. You don't want to have any carryover because it will ruin your laminator if you carry over. So you can tell that when we lay this over the top, it is going to cover my lines, that's okay. But this laminate sheet is smaller than my actual label paper. Now you wanna make sure that you always flip over your laminate sheet where the shiny side is facing above you. And we are going to center this onto our piece of paper, making sure that it covers all of the stickers that we're going to be printing. And my laminator heats up really fast, so it's already ready to be put in, and I'm just going to put this into my laminator. Okay, when it's done, you're going to see, look at that nice gloss finish on that thing. And there's absolutely zero air bubbles on any of these sticker cutouts. It's going to look absolutely fabulous. So I'm just gonna turn this off and set this out to the side. Now for this particular paper, we have some gloss on our lines, right? That is going to be really hard for the Cricut to read. So I love my little white crayon hack. This is the cheapest hack that you could possibly get. It's a white crayon, and all you want to do is rub this over the top of your lines. So it's taking away the shine on the registration marks, so the Cricut's going to be able to read the registration marks without any issues. Okay, so we're gonna set this over to the side. Now let's do the holographic sticker paper. So I love using holographic sticker paper from Tack Wrap, and they have a bunch of different options. I freaking love all of their sheets. They have some hearts. They even have like one that looks like it has butterflies on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but they have butterflies, hearts. They have like confetti pieces, sparkle. This one right here has like snowflakes on it, stars. I'm gonna do this like real chunky, thick stuff. I'm gonna set that to the side and put this all away. Taking another sheet of my label paper. Again, this is the cheapest label paper that you can possibly get. Just wanted to show you that even using really cheap label paper, we are going to be able to upgrade cheap label paper into beautiful stickers. Now for this holographic paper, I'm gonna tell you right now that if we were to take this and put this right over the top of our original sticker sheet, the holographic paper makes it a pain in the butt for the Cricut to read those registration lines. It is the biggest pain in the rear end. So in order to avoid doing that, what I like to do is trim my holographic paper to be inside my registration lines, so my Cricut's not going to have any issue reading the lines. When you have your holographic sheet cut out to the size of the inside of your registration marks, so you can see that all my registration marks are not going to be covered with this. What I would do now, take a corner of your holographic paper, and we are going to roll this paper backing up just a little bit from the back of your holographic sheet. Okay, we are going to bend that paper back. So this is what your holographic sheet will look like, something like this, where that paper backing is rolled back and then the holographic sheet is revealed. Okay, we want to line this up inside of our sticker paper, making sure that we're going to cover all of our stickers. Okay, and I'm just going to press down real hard, creating a good stick. Okay, the next thing you want to grab is something like this, where you have a hard edge on one side and then a cloth edge on the other. This is what we're going to be able to glide the holographic stuff off and put it onto the sticker paper. If you don't have something like this, taking like a credit card and wrapping it in some sort of fabric will do just fine. Okay, we want to turn this to the side, and we are going to put this portion right here down to our holographic paper. Now what we want to do is lift this up and we want to pull our paper backing. In one good motion, you want to go from, see how it's like rolling away? We want to put our ruler with the fabric edge down and we want to push away from us. Okay, now this right here is garbage. We don't need it. And what you're going to be left with is something that looks like this, where you have a holographic layer over the top of that really crappy label paper. Look at that. So now your Cricut is not going to have any issues reading the registration marks because we didn't cover it up with that holographic paper. But look at how cute. These are fabulous. Which one do you like the more? Plain stickers that are glossy or these ones right here? I need to know which your favorite between the two. Okay, now what we need to do is cut these out on our Cricut. Weren't making those stickers so freaking easy? And the greatest part about this is that we really only had to add one thing to our sticker papers in order for it to be waterproof and dishwasher safe. I do have to say that if you were going to be selling these stickers, selling them without any of the holographic tape or the laminate, these feel super thin and like not good quality. Although I do know that I used high quality sticker paper in order to make this, it just doesn't feel very thick and high quality. But adding that sheet of laminate over the top or even that holographic sticker paper makes the sticker feel thicker and then making it feel more high-end. So if you were selling these, you can sell these for a higher dollar amount because they do feel like they are higher quality. All right, y'all, I sure hope you thought this project was super easy and I'll see you on the next one.